Assalamualaikum, respected ma'am and our fellow groupmates. Today we all gathered here for a drama session. In this drama session, our topic is Shadows of the Street. The beginning, Act 1, the beginning. A modest living room in Dhaka.
Tonight, I have got something traveling things. Are you involved in the gang with the neighborhood?
No, Baba, it's not what you think. They're just friends. I'm hang up on.
Hanging out is fine, but there are some illegal rumors of the rumors of illegal activities.
You don't understand at all.
Yo, July.
Yo, what's up, bro?
I'm fine.
What's up, bro?
You?
I'm not fine.
What
Why
is that?
question lately?
Your face is so depressed. Has something trouble with you?
Yeah, he's asking questions, man.
Or
He's saying that I'm just involved in illegal activities.
Yeah, that's good.
don't worry, let him try.
What if we get caught?
We won't. We'll find. We'll stick with us. Don't worry, man.
Okay. See you then. Bye. Bye.
Assalamualaikum, officer. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I am fine.
Where are you coming?
I am coming for. Thank you. I am coming for made a documentary in the case of the teenager crime rate.
A documentary?
Yes.
Why?
Because nowadays we see that there is lots of people, lots of students come into the gangs world, and their family cannot know about them, and they are addicted in drugs and illegal items. So I made a documentary for a social awareness.
Okay, I see. It's a sensitive issue, but I'll see what can I do for you.
Sir, if you provide me a case like the teenager gangs or something, it will help from the documentary.
Unfortunately, you don't have any case right now, but if I face some case, I will inform you about
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you.
Tonight, where are you? Why are you not coming home?
Why do you need me at home?
You are not doing college regularly. You need to focus on your studies. Why you are not coming home?
It's my choice, Dad.
You are talking to your father like this.
Just hang up.
What's up, my friend? I'm just tired, attending exams, doing classes, labor, etc.
I'm just tired of being, I think I just walked the wrong path.
Junai, why are you being so video?
At first I thought they were good, but when time just passes, I then realized that they're not good. There's involved in shady stuffs, like weeds, like illegal stuffs, like smuggling items.
What? Illegal?
Yes.
What are you talking about?
I was just shocked to know that. They were telling me that they will make fast money like that. Then I was happy. But after realizing that that was all illegal activities, I was shocked.
This sounds serious, Junai. You need to get out of it. Have you informed to the authorities?
No. How can I just inform them? If I inform them, they will come after me. And they will not take any chance to get me in jail.
Maybe there is another way.
How?
We need a plan. Someone who can help us with me. Maybe someone your friends won't suspect. So there has to be a way. There has to be a way.
But if we get caught,
We are making a plan. We need a plan for
thank you. You just relieved me. Thank you so much.
we are in this together, right?
Thank you.
Keep, how are you, my old friend? Long time no see.
I'm fine. What about you?
I am not well.
Why? What happened?
I am not well. Thank you. I am not well because my son is addicted to something like illegal activities.
What? Are you serious?
Yes, he is already out of my hands now. I think he is out of my hands now.
Okay. What can I do for you?
I don't know. Please suggest me for something.
Okay, one of my friends is a reporter. He is making it. I think he helps us because he is making a documentary like these types of teenage problem, and you should talk with him. I'll call him and then he'll get here.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Come in.
Are you there?
Yes, I am.
Hello, my friend.
Hello, my friend. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm fine.
He is my one of friend. He is in big trouble.
Hello, man. How are you?
Fine. And you?
I am not well.
Okay, sit down. And drink. Why are you not well?
Because I am so much worried about my son.
Why?
Because he does not, he is not listening. He is not listening to me properly. He is not doing college regularly. I think his friends, Junaid has some friends. He may be involved in illegal activities. We need to. He need to focus on his studies, but he can't because of his friends. What should I do now?
I think there's a way. He said already, I made a documentary. This documentary shows those people, those students or those teenagers who go into the wrong paths. They are addicted to illegal activities and something more. And most of the students or teenagers go to the gangs or something lots of. So that's why I made a documentary to come to a social awareness in our society, and it is like a mirror in our society. If the documentary published, the people and who are the addicted, also the families and our society, then our communities shows the danger and shows awareness, come to the awareness, and they protect their son and protect their child from those faults. And I believe that if your son consulting a psychiatrist, he will come to this dark world.
Okay, that's great.
I think his advice will help you, but I am not taking action because of you are my friend and also your son is also my son. That's why I can't take any action, and also I prepare that my friend news reporter Imran. That's why he consulting your son, and also that your son might understand something if he back up.
That's a good idea.
Yes.
If you go to home, you go home and teach your son.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for coming. Okay, my friend.
What's up, my friend?
I'm always with bro. You?
No, fine, my dad is asking unnecessary questions, man.
What question, bro?
He's saying you are not good. They're talking about you.
Bro, what? I have an easy way to earn money.
How?
Bro, by getting the cricket match. You know, cricket is going on now. So if you get the team in the match and you just win the match, you can easily earn money.
School is interesting, but my family.
You will get your education. Don't worry. Wait, I will call you. Yes, shower. Yes, shower. Where are you?
I'm on the way, man. Just take some minutes to packaging up all the things and I'll come.
Come first. Okay, waiting for you.
Is he coming?
Yes.
Hey man, what's up?
Bro, I had some odd how?
Damn man.
Isn't this legal?
Yeah, legally but
Yeah bro, let's do this. Police bro.
Please, you are under arrest.
No,
Hands up.
I didn't do this.
Hands up.
I did this.
I said hands up. Get down. You are under arrest.
I didn't do this.
You are under arrest.
What's up, my friend? Why you got my son?
Is he your son?
Yes, he's my son. What happened?
He is caught with some illegal things and with his friend, and his friends also ran away. But I
Trust me, Dad. I didn't do this. They were involved. It was his bag.
Tonight, please tell them everything. We can help you.
You are in a trouble situation. If you cooperate with us, that might be easier for you. Tell us who are you? My friend Shaun. Shaun, where I can find them. Okay, tell me.
Hello guys. I have to confess something. I did some bad things in my life. I have made some wrong decisions, but they have consequences. And I have come to the right path by my father's consequences and some other friends. So I'll tell you one thing: never go in the wrong path. Take some time and realizes that if you take any wrong decisions in your life, it will make a very, very bad impact on your life. So, thank you guys. Ma'am, arekta ache.
I am proud of you, my son. You understand your mistakes.
Thank you, Dad. I was in the wrong path. Now I have to understand how.
You need to take courage of your mistakes. So I forgive you for everything.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you for supporting me. And moral action আমি করছি
Okay, at first good job, your script was good, your beginning was very good, but the thing that you had a less practice, right?